Question number 15. Cot 4x times sin 5x plus sin 3x equals cot x times sin 5x minus sin 3x. So, in the mari questions la, I have to solve my LHS and RHS separately and see if they are equal. So, first LHS. So, LHS la enna varum? Cot 4x times sin A plus sin B. So, sin A plus sin B na, it will be 2 sin cos. So, I have 2 sin 5x plus 3x by 2 cos 5x minus 3x divided by 2. So, in that it will be cot 4x times 2 times sin 5 plus 3 8, 8 by 2 4. So, sin 4x times cos of 5x minus 3x is 2x, 2x by 2 is x. So, here I have 2 times sin 4x cos x. Cot x can also be written as cot 4x divided by sin 4x. So, in the sin 4x and sin 4x are getting cancelled. So, I have 2 cos x cos 4x. So, this is my RHS. Now, LHS enna agum? This is my LHS. So, now RHS enna agum? RHS similarly I have cot x times sin A minus sin B. Sin A minus sin B na I will have 2 cos sin. In that 2 sin cos, I will have 2 cos sin. Correct? So, I have 2 times cos of 5x plus 3x by 2 sin of 5x minus 3x divided by 2. Okay. So, I will have cot x times 2 cos 5 plus 3 8, 8 by 2 4. So, cos 4x times sin 5x minus 3x 2 minus 2 is x. I will have this. Cot x is nothing but cos x by sin x times 2 cos 4x sin x. So, in that sin cancel I do. So, I will be left with 2 cos x cos 4x. So, it means LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay. Question number 16. Cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x equals minus sin 2x divided by sin 10x. Question correct copy pannunga. Okay, question correct copy pannunga. Cos 10x. Okay, so in the mari questions you can only solve them with practice. Formulas theriyalana இந்த மாதிரி questions எல்லாம் போடவே முடியாது. So only with practice you know which formula to use where, what kind of substitution to make. Okay, so இந்த இடத்துல formulas எல்லாம் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க, mnemonics வச்சுக்கோங்க, எப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு. So here cos A minus cos B. So I have cos A minus cos B. Minus இருந்ததுன்னா I have minus 2 sin sin. Correct? So it will be minus 2 sin A என்ன 9x 5x. So I will have 9x plus 5x by 2 times sin of 9x minus 5x divided by 2. The whole divided by, I have sin A minus sin B. Sin A minus sin B, na, it will be 2 cos sin. 2 sin cos kadayadu. So, 2 cos sin. So, I will have A plus B, which is 17 plus 3 by 2. 17x plus 3x by 2 times sin of 17x minus 3x divided by 2. So, இப்போ minus 2 minus மறந்துடாதீங்க. Sin of 9 plus 5 14. 14 by 2 is 7. So, I will have sin of 7x times sin of 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So, sin 2x. The whole divided by 2 times cos of 17 plus 3 20. 20 by 2 is 10. So, 10x times sin of 17 minus 3 is 14. 14 by 2 is 7. So, 7x. So, in the sin 7x and sin 7x is getting cancelled. 2 and 2 is getting cancelled. So, I have a minus sign. So, minus sin 2x by cos 10x. Cos 10x, which is equal to the RHS. Hence, proved. Okay. Question number 17. Sin 5x plus sin 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x equals tan 4x. So, you have to apply the formula that you know. So, sin A plus sin B will be 2 sin cos. So, it will be 2 sin 5x plus 3x divided by 2 cos 5x minus 3x divided by 2, the whole divided by cos A plus cos B will be 2 cos cos. So, it will be 2 cos 5x plus 3x divided by 2 cos 5x minus 3x divided by 2. Inge enna theriyudhu? This term and this term will get cancelled. Okay? And 2 and 2 are getting cancelled. So, I'll have sine of 5 plus 3, 8, 8 by 2, 4. So, sine 4x divided by cos 5 plus 3, 8, 8 by 2 is 4. So, cos x. So, I have sine 4x by cos 4x. Sine by cos enna? Tan. And what is my x? 4x. So, which is equal to RHS. Okay? Question number 18. Sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y equals tan of x minus y by 2. Okay, this is the whole angle. So, I have sin A minus sin B. Sin A minus sin B, it will be 2 cos sin. Okay, so I will have 2 cos sin x minus y by 2 divided by cos A plus cos B will be 2 cos cos. Okay, so it will be 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. This is pretty straightforward. So, 2 cancel aayidhu. Cos term will get cancelled. So, I have sin theta divided by cos theta, which is tan theta, where my theta is x minus y by 2, which is equal to RHS. Hence, proved. Okay. Question number 19. Sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x equals tan 2x. So, in that line, sin A plus sin B, which will be 2 sin cos. So, I have 2 sin x plus 3x divided by 2 times cos of x minus 3x divided by 2, the whole divided by cos A cos B, which will be 2 cos cos. So, I will have 2 cos x plus 3x by 2 cos x minus 3x by 2. So, direct away theriyudhu, this whole term and this whole term is getting cancelled. 2 is getting cancelled. So, I have sin theta by cos theta, which will be sin of 3 plus 1 is 4. 4x by 2 is sin 2x divided by adhe mari cos ku I have 3x plus x 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So, I have sin theta by cos theta, which is tan theta, where my theta is 2x, which is equal to RHS. Okay. Question number 20. Sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x equals 2 sin x. If sin square x minus cos square x paatha enna thonudhu, you know that cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. So, sin square x minus cos square x will be minus cos 2x. Correct? So, your denominator will become minus cos 2x. Numerator la sin A minus sin B. I have a minus. So, it is 2 cos sin. Okay. So, it is 2 cos of x plus 3x by 2 times sin of x minus 3x divided by 2, the whole divided by minus cos 2x. So, I have minus numerator kondu poren. 2 times cos of 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 2 is 2. So, cos 2x times sin of x minus 3x and minus 2x. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1, which is minus x. Sin of minus x is minus sin x. Correct? Sin of minus x is minus sin x because we are dealing with the fourth quadrant. Minus x na inge irukku. Fourth quadrant la only cos is positive. All silver teacups. Correct? So, I will have minus sin x. So, this is nothing but, don't forget the denominator, cos 2x. So, which is minus 2 cos 2x times minus sin x divided by cos 2x. So, the cos 2x and cos 2x is getting cancelled. Minus into minus plus. So, I am left with 2 sin x. which is equal to RHS. Okay.